5 cracks, 5 facts.
Did you know that the tree shrew and humans are the only two animals that like spice? In a 2013 study, it shows that the average child asks 300 questions a day. Here's one that's gonna blow your mind. If you added up the total weight of all the ants in the world, they're actually equal to the total weight of humans in the world. There is an estimated 8.7 million species on this earth. Crazy, right? Here's a little holiday hint. The spice nutmeg, if you have too much of it, it can kill you.